So I also just wanted to bring your attention to a couple other websites where you can download patterns, just flat patterns. You probably want the DXF file, Lakala, and then I noticed that TUKA has actually started selling patterns. They're a competing company against CLO 3D software, so they do the same thing as far as flat pattern design, and they even have 3D as well. So the Lakala, they have free patterns. You can actually look that under free, or they also have patterns that are actually pretty affordable. And then you can type in your measurements, and it takes them like 10 to 15 minutes, and they resize the pattern and then they send it to you. And you really want that DXF AA file. So like for example, let me grab a free one just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Let's do women's dress, see what they have. So again, these patterns might be very similar to one of your designs, but you can always change it too, because of course it's not going to be exactly the same. So I'll say add to cart. Let's go to our cart. Here you are. So they have standard sizes here. So you can click that in. Let's see here. And then you don't need seam allowance. Don't worry about that. Format. Let's see here. I recommend DXF AAMA. That's the best one to open a 2D pattern in CLO. So you do that. I would change this probably to inches. You can type in your inches. And then you would just hit add to cart. And then eventually you'll download that DXF file once it's ready, which really doesn't take too long. The other one, I have not used the TUKA yet. I just saw a marketing blast come out about it. And yeah, they have all these patterns drafted, and they are a pattern company, so the fits look pretty good on them. So if you want to spend $10 and try it out, that's an option too. Let's see here. It says, I'm not sure what format they open in. Let's see what it says. Ooch. Okay, so you'd have to probably get PDM because they want you to open it in TUKA. This is their file to do 3D. It's not closed. That's the only thing. But it's PDF pattern, and you can buy PDF patterns all over the internet, like Etsy and who knows where else. Like they're very widespread. So so it's not normally in this class I make you guys buy a similar pattern and then you guys adjust it. So we're just kind of doing it on the computer this time.